Ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka Southwest Khas Hill District ka Kongsi Kharkongngor manta ka sngi ka liyo ban pipai ba ya ka Mawphor rural hat ni ka yau ki SHG ka baha ka jingmang ka bakot hadu laifulai lak tengka bat ya ka ni ka yau lamang ban play arsen ha ka shita yau ha ka sngi long yau ha Mawphor bat ka ni ka yau ka don hapo jong ka madan hajan jong ka community hall Mawphor Kajing temu jong ka ni ka Mawphor rural hat bala play menta ka sngi ka long mente song lang ya ki SHG na ki artli ki block kata na Mawphor mat na rani kor block bakin wan ra shijaka ya ki marrep na ke lengkish nong jong ka Southwest Khas Hill District bat bakin yo bande haka ni ka yo khnang bakan long ka lat bakin yo ban kamai bat kumjo ru ban kintew ya ka yo ka kot haki babon ki liang Hakani kasngi lai don lang na do uba LT Tariang Additional Deputy Commissioner bat kum Director DRDA Southwest Khas Hill District uba I Lauriniang Block Development Officer ka Mawphor CNRD Block uprabu Datta Sahu GM jong ka Nabat Shillong bat ki wedi ki officer sarkar ki bala shakhot sngoba ya kani kasngi la penship penshangan na kajing roi pediang sngoba na ka kajat sngi village organization rangblang so senyang bat kajing shat na ki khna rit jong ka jingkermen bat senteu barit children's group na kasnong dom jerti
Officers P dan lang bani hoi 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 to them can sing but cannot run bring God kisur ni pensawa hoi 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 to them can sing but cannot run bring God kisur ni pensawa Kayo kahat plimenta kasmi Dajing gamlang barot kilong kmi Kiba treha po ki SHG NRLM hangi pipen i Hoi 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 Long kmi baro haman la kishnam Kisang bantreya ki kamla chom Hoi 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 Long mi baro haman la kishnam Kisang bantreya ki kamla chom Hamni ha Southwest Khas Hill District Ki SHG ki trey kam tik tik Karep karyang bat kari chingri Kisap ki pong pen iki long mi Hoi 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 Lalaban plika yeu SHG jingïatreilang na bat she's pasni Hoi 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 Lalaban plika yeu SHG jingïatreilang ublayani
Ngaso buram shimun ya ka balang Mawphor ka bala ay ya ka jaka namar phi da umdan jaka minum yo AA competition om haka ktir pareng no land no roads no land no development kabamut ma umdan jaka minum yo surok da umdan jaka ka development ka roi ka par ka numwan ringa na ai ngo pa ya ka balang Mawphor Presbyterian bakala ai kan dia ni ka jaka hapdeng jongka shnong Mawphor kala aila dia ni bangin thau kat dia kani ka building bat dia turu bat ya kani ka jaka shapo hoi le asmu bende ba kamni ban kut tahang di umdi tam bin chudi ang ni ka linkage ko ba ong iba taryang ka pidi ban ya link ya kani ka yo shabar bat kumpa kinyarap na po MSRLS makini kidon ban yarap ya kata ban link ya ki products jong pi shabat kenapa pinat kami ya kiu ti kum ka restaurant ru minta ngayos ko baka kidi ki jingba babang what hun tang ban di hang ni pidi ban im ban le bu restaurant ha shalom nang to pidi ban im ban le bu ha ko deli namar kum ta ter kum no fila ban tip la ban yo le shabat kariru mo aba pidan kata ka thong pila ban poi shata ti kumta ngakwa ban oke pi kamde ban kut tanane pidi banya im menta kapor le kaba khansuk umde kumat por juni kaba pinle tanani guati ru ka shitam le menta kaba long lut kaba la ban long lut bat kaba la ban long ru kade haba pia trilang kadi ka rural hat kani ka strong poru pi kito ki ngatai bona pi ru ki blale che Delhi ki dan ko kini ki stalls meta kadi ka jaka ka ba ponam ba ki se khat kata ka Delhi hat mo ki de ki brio kito ki ba brio ki ba di ham to ki de ki artisans ki ba shna jan ki ba shna handicraft ki ba shna lai puja te bar khat ki ba le support Delhi ki day but let it is ki on a must go place to visit namar ki tiar ki ba ki shna khantam ki ni ki brio ki ba wan na chaparri ki sutana bha ban let shakatu kari ki di ban yo ki to ki tiar ki ba ki thau hi nam to om ki to ki tiar ki ba thau ha company hai ti yakni ka jakaru shapo ngakwa ba ngapte kata ka ba la ru ba ma nyam video henry pinya simpali kadi ban rotate ken dakala ya khale ship benai kata ka way video next month kumta khamba kibriu kin yo ban ma ki tiar ki ba piashna ki ba thom bat kumta terten
Yes, to have made this possible, and many congratulations to all the primary stakeholders who will be using this facility in the days to come. I would like to take your excuse because I wish I could have, if I could have addressed you or talked to you in Khasi language, but that's quite far from my reach as of now. Although I know a couple of words, I will not dare to speak in Khasi before you. So I'll be limiting my talk and I'll be limiting my speech in English. Basically, I would like to highlight the basic objective of this effort, jointly which has been made possible. It's a great example of convergence between the resource and energy of MSRLS, the Manrega, as also NABARD. And regarding NABARD's work, you may be knowing or you may not be knowing, the gamut of work, the functioning of NABARD being a developmental financial institution is very big. Apart from our supervisory and credit functions, one of the most important functions of NABARD is development. And development, as the name goes, our name, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, anything and everything that pertains to rural area is of interest to us. And it's not only the production part of it. Beyond production, what is the most important thing that comes to one's mind is marketing. If the produce, what is produced in the field, what is prepared by the rural artisans or weavers, if they are not marketed, if the producers are not getting their share a good, fair price, then why should they continue? What is the meaning of this production? Towards that, a very small effort is made, a small 2-3 windows we have created, and since 2016 we have been supporting this kind of intervention, particularly the rural hut, the one which is constructed and right in front of you. The rural mart. Mart means is basically a shop where we give support for our local producers to own up that shop. We support in terms of the rate, we support in terms of little bit of, the self, the electric lighting and a little bit of the recurring part of it, the salary part of it, who will be selling it. So that we expect that our rural producers should understand the nuances of marketing, the nuances of dealing with public, the requirement of the public, how they can position and reposition themselves.
Ngay jadi kalau hat ngay belum kaji keku nomor ba layo ya kata jaka bagi nomor lapan ini dia kita bisa Jobun ki benta mission ma ki nomor ku jinjar bandi ya ki mari joki market te hai ki ne die ki kum si benta ani kalau hat pelap pau pelap bakadam ki jaka bagi la bandi ki mari ku joki de kum si benta na ni ka rural hat management committee by like by Petnam Vishnaya ka rural hat ni nasim rai ba ini le abla benai benta ningkong ye kini ki self help group namar ba ka Mawphor block kini idam pala semua jalur ki self help group di mamakiru pun today namrat namri jiri ba ingat bahkan kamu berjirat ye ki kunjuru nilai berkat ba kakade karul hat bintan ya kini ka mereka restoran lah niat ya kini ka self help group ka fat badan self help group Mawphor bat kini kalau ba sebentar bagi Mawphor di bina pula di Jakabam di Khambiang di Khambang no di don dan kerja itu kan ya koyo di isau bagi di bandar kata ali su bagi di kinong wan kan Khambur kinong juo ya kini kan rol hat kejoni ya kejoni rupa ya kini rol hat komulai su kinong keren mene mengidan benta department di Mawphor nak nabat NRLM kalian block office kalian DC office mulai berpenyak ya kini ngikuat kerja penyak ya kini rol hat kanong hi ha kini kinong sangyo kat kunjur kat senong apalan dipuntai lai pandan ke komiti ke jomi ke sub komiti ke jomi berpenyak ya kini rol hat ani rol hat hi kan pri ya baro kinong ret ngikuat bandi ha kini ka yo di kini kalau bang ngikuat makanya kan jo banyak nang semat om ba ka kutang ha kini kasni bang ipli ko ne reman kasni kindan kinong di bat inget ba kindan ini kinong thiet no ini le bala bang yo kinong thiet ki makanya kayo kanong kabjau
cái bala penong ya kini ka jingku berwarna ini kalau ha kini ka dong jom kathan juni kalau hadir lagi tu ke jing jajong itu lockdown berkelai jauh tu lockdown berkelai yogi hat kila kamia berkelai lakukan di jing strict ke bah fair but nampak administration jom Southwest Kecil district kila penong yang ini kerjakan rengkat jingïatreilang kelam kiseng samla berkunjung rengkat balang dia kila penong yang ini kawai ini kerjakan penong ke yo ke bah kila senai kita temporary shed kila ni kita ki basah ki basah jom ni kat senai ni but kila yo i lamba kejindon jom kat jom video basan bat kunjur apa office jongi rengkat bat DDM badai jom nabat ba utpal ba laitan entah mengenai i dan kam bahaya jaka i dan kam bakan kata building permanent structure ni ke building ba ka yo ba kila ba niat ba mahal tu pon yo i ba kiban ki temporary di yang bahasa yo ki baret ba dan bakti jaka ba kunta kata ila don zikirman bagi oman don senar berkuai ke permanent structure ba hamde ila don kata jengih perhat jengih plan ba nilai senai ke projek lengkap ke jengih simenta jong jong kini ke dalam presiden ke BEC ba lengkap ke jingïatreilang ba ke office mak komisarias ke hari itu ba nilai i dan ba ke jisna ba nilai yo sanction na ko naba house April anja berkuai ba nilai ban di foundation stone but nila kemen dan pendat mah apa sistem hendrai nak tahu jom kejing bakam cunong kejing lockdown batung tak terten nila kam slam kerja hendrai buat kata ni so kemen pada mentah kesini bah nila laban pleno ikan ikas rurahat mentah kesini menolong mengkawai kebenta keba mimpi yang dimari bagi don apa mimpi dimari bagi don hari kata joni Southwest Kecil district keba idan sipur ki egi mar ki jintung ki jintat ki bal la ban tei kam nak phat juni ba ki bala ban yarap ki pa ki ya juni lamba ki jing display ba ki jing dia ki mata kan si